Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of an unlisted matter. We have filed one civil revision petition, Lordship. It pertains to a dispute between the Langren's Aimship and Amyong clan in Mogarwat. We are assailing the orders of the Honorable District Council Court. However, Lordship, in similar matters, Justice Thank You has been recusing in these matters, considering he's been representing one of the parties.
What's the urgency?
Your Lordship, we're just assailing the order of the District Council. Our only concern, Lordship, is that the matter will have to be recused, so we're placing it before your Lordship to be mentioned on, to be listed on Monday, Lordship.
If it is recused, it will come in due course.
Lordship.
If it is recused by the judge holding the roster,
Lordship.
then it will come in due course. It may be allowed, you see, it's the prerogative of the Chief Justice.
Lordship.
He may allot the matter to me or to any coordinate bench.
Lordship.
So we can't, offhandedly say that, it will be listed before the
Lordship.
You wait.
Yes, Lordship.
Maybe by tomorrow.
Lordship. Obliged.
Maybe please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, item 4, hearing. In fact, it has been settled, Your Lordship. So, if Your Lordship permits, carefully for Your Lordship to allow to submit the document. We have paid the provision fund, everything clear, and acknowledgement also has been given, Your Lordship. The documents are here.
No, what do you want to seek for?
No, this can be closed.
Let the matter be called up.
I have some matters they are fixed, therefore, Your Lordship.
Mr. Sama is here.
Anyhow, Lordship, as Your Lordship, please.
We can take it up at the end of the board.
Yes, yes. It can.
On daily list, item number 1.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, in this matter, on the last occasion, my Lord had expressed a desire that parties explore the possibility of settlement.
Okay.
So, claimant was supposed to come back with a figure that would be acceptable to them, a reduced figure. Not sure, Mr.
May I please, Your Lordship, I am trying to contact the client directly, so it is not possible because they do not having in the hilly areas. So it will take time to contact with them. In the vacation time, I will talk, and in the meanwhile, for hearing on the condolation delay, it may be taken up on Monday, my Lord. Today I am not ready because I was not feeling well last night. So.
What is there? See, continuation mean yes or no?
Yes.
Agree?
No,
Don't agree.
that one to after vacation only.
You should understand. The court is mostly concerned with the merits
Yes, yes.
of the matter.
Yes, yes.
So, well, continuation, if it is,
Yes,
there's absolutely, carelessness or whatever
Yes,
on
yes.
part of the applicant,
Yes,
that has to be taken into account.
yes, yes.
But then, more often than not, the court would not, dismiss this application. Because dismissing an application under for continuation means dismissing the appeal in
Yes.
its entirety.
So I could not contact directly to this thing, only the.
Even in course of the appeal,
Yes, yes, yes.
you can always you can always talk to your
Yes,
client
yes, yes.
if there's a possibility of settlement.
Oh, it is all right, my Lord. It is okay.
So we'll condone the delay.
Yes.
You are the sole respondent.
Yes.
There are 3. The others, my Lord, number 3, we have filed an affidavit of service saying that because he refused to accept the notice, my Lord. Number 2, unfortunately, my Lord, has come back with. We've sent it 2 times. On the last occasion also, it was returned. Now, for number 2, my Lord, that is the owner. Really not sure what is to be done. Maybe the only possibility is sending it again.
Either that or do it by publication.
That might be the only way because it keeps coming back, my Lord. And this is the only address we have.
Insufficient address or
there's no endorsement also. It's a Karimganj address. And it may be an insufficient address. So, Lordship may allow us to make one more attempt.
Yes. If after that.
But for number 3, my Lord, it should be deemed as served because he has refused to accept notice, and we filed an affidavit of service also.
Mr. General Counsel for the applicant has submitted that. the notice on respondent 3 may be deemed to have been served, in as much as the notice has returned with a noting that the same was refused to be accepted by the notice receiver. An affidavit of service in this regard has also been filed. As far as respondent 2 is concerned, since the service report has not yet come, it is prayed that fresh steps may be allowed to be taken upon such respondent. Pray aloud. That the applicant is directed to take steps accordingly. Matter to be listed after petition. In the meantime, Mr. Hazarika, you talk to
Yes,
them,
yes, my lord. I am trying.
and you can talk to them privately.
Yes, 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 my lord. I am trying.
Item number 2.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I request if Your Lordship may take up this matter at the end of the board, Your Lordship.
No, it's a question of service report.
Yes, Your Lordship, but there is an important submission that is required to be made to Your Lordship by the learned DGI in order to apprise the court, Your Lordship. Lordship, I therefore request that this matter may be taken up at the end of the board, Your Lordship. Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 3.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, I could not obtain the copy of the depositions of the witness last recorded on 2nd November, no, 2nd December. I'm in the process of obtaining the copy to place before the honorable court. If the matter can be adjourned again,
Will come after vacation, Your Lordship, then.
because it will be again will be recorded on 16th.
Because the trial is proceeding, Your Lordship.
On prayer made by Mr. M.F. Kurshi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, seeking adjournment. Prayers along. On by consent of the parties, matter is posted after petition.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Item number 4.
May we please, Your Lordship, if I'm permitted to submit before this honorable court. In both the cases, we have cleared all the provision funds, Your Lordship. And next page, they acknowledge by letter date 3/12.
Please speak.
We have received the dues, Your Lordship,
So,
and we have also issued we have received the dues which they were supposed to pay. And we
matter
have,
will,
yes,
matter will be closed.
yes, Your Lordship.
In fact, you are the petitioner,
Yes, I'm the petitioner.
and
State.
it has got nothing to do. Mr. Heard Mr. S.P. Manta, Learned Senior Counsel, along with Mr. Sudhir Sangma, Learned Counsel, and since you are all standing, will this your name
I'm Linda. Oblige to you, oblige.
for the petitioner who has submitted that the petitioner company do since defunct, has however cleared all the outstanding dues as far as the payment of, as far as the contribution of provident fund is concerned. As far as payment of provident provident fund and due and payable to the ex-employees concerned. In this respect, the Learned Senior Counsel has produced two communications. One being file number, two communication. One being a letter addressed to the managing director of the petitioner company, issued by the regional PF commissioner.
It is 2, Lordship. Regional Provident Commissioner 2.
2 -2 Romans 2 dated being I can get you more. Can you file number 2 dated the same being taken on board and mark as annexure X. And another communication from the managing director of the petitioners company to the regional commissioner. Can I full regional commissioner employees providence fund or fund organization being letter number KLMC to Inima. The same also being acknowledged by this court and marked as annexure Y. In view of this communication, the petitioners, the learned counsel, senior counsel has submitted that no cause of action survives at this point of time, and as such, this petition may be closed as in process.
Yes.
What the cases, Your Lordship? WPC 183 of 2017 and 184.
Ms. P. Bhattacharya, learned counsel for the respondent EPF, has also concurred with the submission of the learned senior counsel and has no objection to the prayer made. Similarly, Ms. I. Jirwa, appearing for the state respondent, has also no objection to the prayer made by the petitioner. Accordingly, without going to the merits of this matter, on the submission so made at the bar, this petition is hereby disposed of as infructuous. That's it.
Then 1182 will close, item 7 also.
Item 7 also will close, Lordship.
Item 7, listen.
3 cases will close. 117.
Here they have challenged the notification, Lordship.
We have,
Challenge.
so that has also become redundant. Mr. S.P. Hamanta, learned senior counsel, has submitted that the petitioner may be allowed to withdraw this petition. Simple as that. Nothing remains. On prayer made, this petition is hereby dismissed as withdrawn.
Deeply obliged by God. Deeply obliged.
Item number 5.
My lord, may I pray if the matter can come up after the vacation, my lord? If my friend is...
See, this is the only case which has enjoyed how many vacations, I don't know.
9, my lords. 8.
8 vacations.
At the request of my friend, we can probably have a 9th.
See, by now you must have been used to vacation. On pre-made by Mr. S. Gupta, Larat, additional senior GA, appearing for respondent 2. The same not be objected to by the petitioner and the other respondent, by the petitioner. That is adjourned. List the same as prayed for. This is the same after vacation.
That's
right.
Item number 6.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, in this matter, I prefer some accommodation, your Lordship.
But they are supposed to bring the.
Because there's a similar matter which is pending before court number 2. The matter was taken up yesterday, and in light of the fact that there is a committee which is reviewing the rules, the matter has been fixed on the 6th of February to enable the committee to examine the whole matter.
That would affect your case.
Yes, my lord.
On plea made by the learned counsel for the petitioner. Let's this matter on. What is 7 February? What date is 7 February?
See what is 7 February?
I mean, would it be a weekday? Friday?
Friday.
So we list it on 7th or Friday?
7th or 10th, my lord?
10 will be the Monday.
Yes, my lord.
This is matter on 10 February.
Highly obliged.
Item number 8.
May it please your Lordship. This is that second appeal matter.
I think I've observed
Yes.
earlier that perhaps this matter may not be able to be completed this
Lordship had expressed on the last date, my lord.
not before vacation. So why should we go through the
Because I'll have to revise the whole thing again after vacations, my lord.
we go through the formalities makes no difference. Let's it after vacation.
Subject to your Lordship convenience.
My convenience. Your prayer, not my. On prayer by parties, let's this matter after vacation.
Obliged.
Obliged.
Second call, item number 2.
Yes, Dr. Muzika.
Well, here we have filed this appeal, my lord, along with application for continuation of delay. We have taken steps on the last occasion.
Or continuation of delay.
There is a delay, my lord.
Then
But the only difficulty, my lord, the executing court is proceeding, my lord. In fact, the executing court has passed an order, my lord. That's the only difficulty, my lord. If I can just place the order, my lord. Yes. But I understand, my lord.
but what do
The notice is not complete, my lord.
yeah, notice is not see, whatever the case, we are not remediless. Whatever the case may be. See, let the executing court, do its duty. If at all you have a case in the near future, then the process of recovery will, will
But
take
the
place.
difficulty is the amount is very huge, my lord. It's about 10 crore rupees, my lord. Now for government we have to sanction and it will take some time. And executing court has passed an order. I just read the order, my lord. CR put up today, petitioner is represented by Mrs. Chankija, OP collector is represented by so-and-so, OP special bureau is represented by so-and-so OPS under instruction of so-and-so, submits that the department of special bureau has filed FA number so-and-so for continuation of delay in preferring the appeal against the order of special judicial learned counsel, submits that notice has been issued and matter is next listed next week. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that so far the petitioner has not received any notice and no stay has been granted and therefore prayer that the property of the OP special bureau be attached in execution. Having heard learned counsel in the absence of any stay, this court is of considered view that there is no bar for this court to proceed with the execution. The OP is directed to deposit the award within 3 weeks, failing which the execution shall be proceeded with. Now we apprehend, my lord, the attachment of office of special bureau, my lord, or something like that will create a lot of difficulty, my lord.
No, but again, without hearing the other side.
But
You
as per the postal report that we have, my lord, both are, it has been delivered to both the respondents, my lord.
But here the office note says ID card has not been received.
ID card has not received, my lord, but the postal tracking report says that it has been delivered to both of them, my lord. If I just place it, my lord. the tracking report from post office.
You have to file an affidavit of service.
We'll file it, my lord. Well, the
You
only
file an
difficulty.
affidavit of service, we'll take up the matter on Monday, no? Bone case. Yeah. Take up the matter on Monday.
Monday or Tuesday?
Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday. Heard Mr. Dr. and Musical BSDI, who has submitted that the notice issued upon the respondent number 1 and 2 have been affected, and the relevant communication from the post office have also been received. However, it is prayed that an affidavit of service may be allowed to be filed in this regard. Next. Accordingly, as prayed for, the applicant is to file the affidavit of service within the next date fixed. On pre-made, list this matter on 10th.
10th.